Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I'm going to talk about a question we get a lot, which is, are door closers required by code? And the simple answer to this is yes. There are, two really big code requirements that should always be followed, and one of those is ADA, or the Americans Disability Act, which was essentially a law that was passed in 1990 and was helping to promote equal accessibility for all. So basically, to not discriminate against anybody with disabilities. And basically in this, it states that the door must have some sort of closing device. Now, it could either be a door closer or self-closing door hinges. But with being in the commercial door industry, the self-closing door hinges really are only pertain to lighter or smaller doors. So, nine and a half times out of 10, if you go to a commercial door, it's going to have the standard hydraulic commercial door closer. So that's one of the requirements, code requirements, where a commercial door closer is needed. Another example is if the NFPA 80, or the National Fire Protection Agency, the big rule with fire doors is they must be closed at the time of a fire, so they must always automatically close, essentially. So that's the big thing is, if it's a fire door, it needs to have a door closer on it, a device that closes the door. And there are other stipulations within both code requirements, such as things like the closing speed and the opening force on a door closer in regards to the ADA. And with the NFPA 80, there are other aspects to that which also state, there are other ways to hold the door open, while also allowing, an automatic door closer to be on the door, such as magnetic door holders, which are tied into the fire alarm or smoke alarm, and will automatically release, allowing the door to automatically close once a fire or smoke is detected. There are other things like that, or even a electronic, so that's like an electronic door holder, or even like a electronic or power door opener, things of that nature. There are other ways to get the door to automatically close, but also have the feature of holding it open, because as the NFPA 80 does state, it says that the door needs to always be able to automatically close and latch. So it's just something to keep in mind. So with those two code requirements, those are nationally recognized code requirements. You're going to need a door closer. And if you're in the market for a commercial door closer, we recommend our Commando door closers at Automatic Door and Hardware. These door closers are, in my opinion, the heaviest duty on the market. Easy to adjust, easy to install. They come with really all the bells and whistles, they're tri-pack, so you can install them the three different ways: parallel arm mount, top jam, or regular standard mount. And also the springs are completely adjustable, so really any size commercial door, you'll be set with that. You'll be able to size it accordingly and not have to stock multiple door closers with multiple spring sizes. All right, guys, that's all I got today. Thank you.